So before I turn the lights on in here, I just want to say that this is it. This is the day. This is the day that I've been waiting for a very long time. Like, oh my gosh. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So we got another surprise today, like we did last time I picked up this camera. I think it's in the front porch. Let's go see. Yo! 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 I'm not gonna show you my address, obviously, but you know what? So right now, we're about to head over to Chris' house, see what he's up to. So I'm gonna put that to the side right there. And we'll come back to that a little later. So let's go head to his house right now. So it's been a minute since Chris's car has been on the channel. But let me basically walk you guys through what's happening right now. So, one, I don't know, well he did hit something, but I don't know if it's because of the splitter and if it was dragging, whatever, but this happened. It literally cracked. So, he purchased another one and replaced that. So that was one thing that he did. Another thing was, to be honest with you, I don't even know the whole thing that was going on, but like something with his lights were like acting up or whatever, so he had to buy a new harness. And then when the harness got here, yeah, the connections were not good. So then he literally had to make his own, pretty much his own harness. And so that's basically where we're at now. But like I said, it's been a minute since his car has been on the channel. One of the recent mods that he did was this carbon fiber insert on the hood though. So it's basically a Z01 hood. He wrapped and then he just obviously left the carbon fiber. It looks pretty sick, honestly. He got new tires. He went to go get them mounted, and when he was getting them mounted, I guess to like scratch one of the wheels or whatever. So right now they're getting repainted, and then he had to take another wheel back because I guess they didn't balance it correctly. So he had to go take it back so they can balance it correctly. So this guy has the worst luck with cars. But like I said, just trying to get it all together so he can finally drive it. So one of the things that we were thinking about doing was like kind of like a Q&A video. So let me know if we should do it. Comment down or even find me on social media or whatever. But like I said, we were thinking about doing like a Q&A video. You guys ask me personal questions. You can ask us questions about the cars. You can ask me, I don't know, random questions. But let me know if we should do it. Flip the box. Okay, yeah, open it that way, I guess. Alright, don't freaking, oh, that would have been terrible. You can rip it. I don't really care about the label. Just rip it. So the moment of truth. I'm gonna move this chair out the way because it's gonna get in the way. First of all, what is that?
They used this as a practice braking, and they still used it.
Anyways.
Ooh, braided lines.
Ooh. Is this? I don't know. That's plastic. Ooh, that's actual line, but it's braided. I have no idea what that is.
Disconnect tools. Oh, it's for your fuel lines. This is what you use for fuel. The fuel rails, or whatever. There's a special tool for it, and that's what it is.
This right here was $20.
What is it? It
connects to the controller. I'm guessing I needed it for like when I plug it in. I don't know.
Hold on. Stratified.
Alright, so long story short, this is the aux fuel kit that I need to basically get tuned. So this is
faster.
Yeah, this is basically the last piece to the puzzle. I can't believe this was $20 though.
Shout out to Stratified.
I'm guessing that's the.
This is for sure going on your car.
Hell no. What is this? This is just their business card?
Comes with Velcro. What is this? I don't know, because what is that?
What is that? I have no idea. We're going to find out.
A lot of stuff in this little box.
For real, huh? And that's the throttle body connector right there.
It's like it's
basically adds injectors to the throttle body. And if you guys want to know like the details of why they angle it and stuff, I guess it's so it can combine once it sprays into one like actual spray into the throttle body. But like I said, for details, you're gonna have to go on his website because I don't know the. This is actually.
And this is the actual.
This is good quality.
Yeah. That's very good.
And then this right here.
Required.
They want to make sure that you know that it's tuning required.
So, CD for a dumbass. I mean, sorry.
You gotta open it like that.
What allows you to run different fuel.
And I'm guessing that plugs into these connectors.
This right here is my swag. Oh, the girls. So where does this even mount to?
To be honest with you, I don't know, but it's most likely gonna go on the fuse box because that's the only place that I can
Warranty
go.
void if removed. Oh, don't remove that then. There's relays? No, yeah.
No, there's no relays.
That's the fuse. It goes into a fuse box.
All of that's getting taped though
Just
because
to get power, I'm guessing. Yeah, big power wire. They crimped it for you too.
I'm most likely gonna have to put a notch in the box.
This is for each the injector.
Yeah.
Oh, why is it so long? Your engine bay is not big.
It's not, but who knows where that even goes. I have no idea. So again, I have no idea how to install this. So when the time comes, we'll figure it out. But literally right now, all we're waiting for is the tuner to get back to me and says, okay, I can tune your car on this day.
Well, we're installing this.
Yeah, that's when we're installing. Because literally, when I install this, I can't drive the car because as you saw in the box, a tune is required for it. So this is basically what I need to run 80. What is that? Oh, putting two and two together, I guess. I'm guessing this goes in there. Yeah. But yeah, this is all kit. So stay tuned for when we install this. And like I said, this is the last piece of the puzzle.
I've been really trying, baby. Trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, then come on. Oh, come on. Woo!